All right, welcome to our next installment. We're going to learn right now how to turn in our work in a team. So what I've done is I've created my dance program and I've got the whole program here on the side, and then I've let the robot run through marking its location. I have my final sort of what the robot did evidence here in the playground. And I'm going to submit both of these to Teams, and the way to do that is up here to start with, hit the share button. Just like before, this share button will create a PDF, which is an Adobe Acrobat document. It'll create a PDF of your code. Name that, your last name, and then something like the name of the project we were doing. For this first week one, it was Dance Off. So Haza Dance Off. You don't get that exactly right, it's not a problem. Don't sweat it too much. Save it somewhere on your computer. I'm going to save it in my delete folder because I don't need this later. You can save it into your OneDrive account or just onto a computer somewhere. You can also save it onto your phone. Okay, and then once I have that done, I'm all ready to go to Teams. But before I go, actually, I do want a picture because this PDF does not actually have a picture of this content on it. Let's take a look at it real quick to see what we got. So this is what it shows us. It shows just a PDF of just the code. We'll turn that into Teams just like we normally would throughout the year. And then the last thing is we want to try and grab a picture of this. So this is the trickier part. We're going to use the print screen button on our keyboard, and that's going to ask us to what do we want to print, and we'll do this. Yours may not give you that option to drag or highlight just part of the screen. It might just print the entire screen, and what that means is it's storing it in the computer for you to use later. So it's like a copy and paste thing. By using the print screen button, you just copied it, and then let's go to Teams and upload it for a paste. So I'm going to go to Teams. To do that, I'm going to click up here. I'm just going to go to Office 365 and go to the login. If you have a Teams app, which the application on your desktop, you can use it there too, but it's easiest to log in. It may ask you to put in a username and password to get to this screen, which would just be your school information. So your ID number at NK Schools and the password you normally use to log into school computers. I'm going to click on Teams. And to show you this, I don't have an assignment set up. I can't show you how to do it in the engineering team, but I do have this other team that I'm actually a student in instead of a teacher in. So this one I can actually submit assignments to. So what I'll do is I'll click on the assignment that's in this team. You'd be using the engineering team, obviously, and there'd be the the week one stuff here, and then add work at the bottom. Now we want to do an upload from this device down here, and then I'm just going to go to that delete folder that I have where I saved the PDF, and I'm looking for Haza Dance Off. I'm going to highlight that or click that. It'll upload it to Teams. It'll take a few seconds to do that. And then hit done. And now you can see I have this. These are old ones that I had for something else. Remove. So that's my Dance Off PDF of the code. And now I want to add that picture that I took, that screenshot. To do that, I'm going to actually need a Word document to paste it into. I have it copied on my computer. I just need to paste it. So I'm going to do a new file. I'm going to choose a Word document. And then I'm just going to give that same name to it, Haza Dance Off. And then I'm going to click Attach. What that's going to do is create a blank Word document for me. You can see it right here, docx. So when I click on that, it'll open it up. And then if I just do Control V for paste. Uh-oh. Nope, I have to edit the document first. So I got that edit document thing by just typing on the keyboard. When you type on the keyboard, it says, hey, you have to edit first. And then I can just do a insert home. Where is it? There it is. I can do a paste here, Or if I know the shortcut key, here we go, Control V is paste. So that's nice for them to show us that. I hit Control V and it pastes that picture in there. Now I want to make this picture just slightly bigger so I can see it a little bit better. So I can just grab the outside edges. Notice how it's not letting me drag out this way. That's because my margins are made short, but that's fine. It's really easy to see, no worries. And then I'm just going to hit close. And when I do that, it's automatically saved. And then I just say, turn it in. And if it says turn in late, don't sweat it. Either you're a day or two late, or I screwed up the dates on the turn in time. So there's no penalty for turn in late during this shutdown. So click in, turn in. And once you've done that, bada bing, wow, that's super creepy. Bada bing, bada boom, you've just turned your work in, no problems. Hey, keep working on trying to get that screenshot in there, but if the first week or two you can't quite figure out how to make it work, keep swinging at it and get there sooner or later. I won't take off any points for not having it right away. It's not supposed to be high stress. If it's freaking you out that you can't do that, don't sweat it too much. Reach out to me, let me know what the problems are, and I'll help you try and figure out how to do things. Well, that's it for this week. I hope you had a good time messing around with the virtual robot and that turning everything in wasn't too stressful. If you need anything, please message me on Teams or shoot me an email. I will respond to you every day. All right, have a great one.